saying? These girls wearing too much makeup nowadays, man.
Too much, looking like cake up mud.
They look horrible.
Horrible.
Doing in the eyebrows. They don't have no eyebrows no more.
They ain't got nothing on that face.
They have
That
nothing.
piece of artwork.
Like an artwork. When they wipe off their face, they look ugly, ugly. Yeah, looking ugly,
Not scary.
looking ugly,
Not scary.
looking ugly. You look good from far. When you come close, I wonder who you are. Yeah, yes you're ugly. You look like a goat. You look like a goat. You look like a joke. What's the deal with that? So much makeup on. You look like a rat. Better black. Let your pores bleed, show you real colors. If you was a stripper, I'd give you no dollars. You so funny, it looks like you wear it. You so funny, look how we stare at it. Your eyeballs fake, your foundation don't match. Yes, there is a problem with that. You're so fake, please don't come over here for Jesus' sake. And yes, I got hate. Are we straight? There's no debate. Don't come over here. Just wait.
You look so different. I took you for another. Did you join law enforcement? Are you undercover? I can't believe it. Why? I'm still in awe. If I didn't know better, that's where you work for the law. If you're a part of a case, you can tell the truth. Just let me know when to duck when you start to choose. Guess how I caught on? Caught on to who you were. Your walk looked familiar, then it hit me you were hurt. If you are truly not undercover and trying to crack the case, then tell me why there is so much makeup on your face. You were beautiful before makeup is one thing you don't need, so just wash your face off and let those carpals breathe. Let those carpals breathe. Let those carpals breathe.
Breathe, breathe.
Not scary. Not scary. Not scary.
Let them cardboard breathe.
Not scary.
Let them cardboard pause.
Let those carpals
breathe. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
This is the end.
Yeah. And a couple girls with too much makeup got disappear like us.